Hey guys, welcome to a new video by Techno Guide Game God, and in this video I will be teaching you people how to make a simple program which checks any string entered by the user is a palindrome or not. So palindrome is basically a word which is the same when spelled backwards. For example, the word dad is the same when spelled backwards, dad. Alright, so let's start. And before all this, I urge you guys to please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and of course don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos. Alright, so let's start. And just to tell you guys, this program uses the reversed function of strings. So the reversed function basically just reverses each letter of the string in its order. Alright, so we can see that. Before that, I'll just define a variable, string. So string is going to be equal to an input from the user. That's a special word, input. And inside I will be asking, please enter your word. Alright, so the word has to be entered here as a string. Alright, and after that, what I will do is define another variable called rev, or reverse string, is gonna equal reversed. Alright, so this is the new function I'm talking about. You see how it is highlighted purple? Alright, so it is a special function to reverse this whole thing, the string which the user inputs. Alright, so it takes each and every letter separately and it reverses it and it prints it out. Alright, so reversed, we are going to take this string here. And after that, I'm going to take a simple if and else statement. If reverse string equals with a double equal to string, then we have to print yes, your word is a palindrome. Okay guys, so just telling you one thing, we should not take this string separately like that. All we need to do is define the string as a list. So what this does is create all the words, all the letters in the word to a list. For example, hi will be converted to H and I separately. So we need to do this. It's really essential to tell the computer to compare the letter of the word. Alright, once we have done that, we also put in a simple else statement to print no, your word is not a palindrome. Alright, so let's run that and check it out. I'll just name that palindrome. Alright. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so I saved it and I'm gonna enter my word. Just type it wrong for now. Phobia. Alright, so my word is not a palindrome. What if it is? Alright, so I'm going to type a word, abophobia. Abophobia. Alright, so it spells the same backwards. So I told you guys that abophobia is the fear of palindromes. Alright, so it is a palindrome. Okay, so we can go crazy, and what if we type a whole sentence? Okay, so I saw the sentence somewhere. Madam, I'm Adam. Adam. So Madam, I'm Adam. So we need an apostrophe here, but we're not going to do that because the computer will get confused. Okay, so it also takes the spaces between it. Alright, so that didn't work out. You just type it again without spaces. Yeah, so it is a palindrome. Alright guys, so this is a really simple program to check if it's a palindrome. And if you see one thing in this program, just an error, it's not an error or something. If I type one letter in caps, D-A-D, it says that it is not a palindrome. Okay, so all we need to do is tell the computer to make that all lowercase. Alright, so before I do that, I will just convert the string into lowercase. Alright, so that should be good now. Dad? Ah, okay, so alright, so all we do here is that I'm going to convert string so that each letter of string equals lowercase. Alright, so string equals string dot reverse. Okay, whatever, string dot uppercase, no lowercase. Alright, so to do that we use the dot lower function, which converts all the letters in the string to lowercase even if it's uppercase. Alright, so I'm going to define that before this, otherwise it will not it will not take the change. So we're going to redefine the string variable. String equals string dot lower and two parentheses will convert all the letters in the word. For example, this will be converted to all small. Alright, so we can save that and run it again, and we can check DAD. Alright, run that again and type it like or irregular. For example, abophobia. It is still a palindrome. Alright, so this was a success. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. Please subscribe and give this video a like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos. Alright, have a good day and goodbye.